What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're doing well. Happy Tuesday. Gonna go over our friend Matic, currently at 79 cents, up 3.8 on the day. We're seeing a market cap of 6.88 billion. 24-hour volume is very low, 193 million. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to BitGet or Bybit, make sure to sign up, grab those bonuses. These are the two exchanges I do by investing and trading. You can email me or sign up email, free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members. So what we're looking for is a wave 2 pullback for the price of Matic. In a wave C, so we came up in a wave A, B, and you're looking for a wave C, which is a 5-wave move. So we had a wave 1, wave 2. Now I'm looking at a wave 3. We've seen our wave 4 pullback, and you'd be looking to push up in that wave 5, create a slightly higher high, and potentially see a rejection. The only way to invalidate that is to come all the way up and break this previous high at 81 cents. So we'll just drop in a line here, and we'll write invalidation. Okay, this one is no longer necessary. I don't want to confuse you guys. Let's be a little bit more professional here. So this is the wave 1 down, wave 2 pullback, and then you would look to come down in the 3, 4, 5. We'll open this up. 3, 4, 5, which would complete that larger wave 3, which is right here in orange. All right, gang, so that's what we're looking at. I'm looking for a little bit of a higher high. Yes, the 5-wave move could already be complete. That is a possibility, but I think it's likely that we might put in a little bit of a higher high, watch for a bearish divergence on the 1 hour, and potentially see a rejection unless we can come up and break this invalidation point at 81 cents. As you can see with our head and shoulders, we're coming back to retest the neckline. So if you see us retest that neckline and we start to get rejected, then your technical target is all the way down here at 49 cents. Of course, if we can break back above the neckline and hold it as support, especially if you start to get back above the EMAs, then you could see a reversal, but I don't think it's the more probable scenario, in my opinion. So same thing for ETH. We're looking for that wave 2 pullback. Looking to push up in that wave 3, in my opinion. If I was looking at a micro count, let's see here. Yeah, I would probably be looking at a, let me grab my brush. Potentially you could look at like a 1, 2, 1, 2, and now this is pushing up in a wave 3. You would see a wave 4 pullback, and then you would push up in that final wave 5, which will complete the wave 3. You would see a wave 4, wave 5 to pull you back into that zone. I do think there's a good chance we push a little bit higher, but if we just get rejected by this point of control and we double top and we break 1184, then you're going to see that continuation down. But I think it's likely that we do see a little bit of a push higher. As you can see, we have a nice ascending triangle. We broke out. Looks like we've already met the technical target. And now we're just seeing a little bit of bullish consolidation. So you can see this as a nice little bull flag. There's a nice little bull flag. So if it breaks out, measure the flagpole, take it to the point of breakout, boom. Takes you real close to the 50% level, which is normal for a wave 2 retracement for ETH. We're watching this head and shoulders. I did mention to watch for a double top. Watch the EMAs. They can act as resistance. If we can get back above the 20, I'd watch the 55 coming in at about 1250, which lines up with our pullback zone for ETH. So I am looking for continuation to the downside unless we can come up and break 81 cents, 0.818 for Matic. Then I may look to take a short in this range depending on the price action. All right, gang, that's it for this one. Sign up to either Bybit or BitGet. Make your first deposit. Email me or sign up email. Free access to my Discord. Over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto at the 10 USD membership, early access to my analysis as well as signals, which can be very helpful in your trading journey. You can see what the members are doing. They like to post the profits for their own trades, as you can see right here. You can see what I'm doing with my HODL alt plays. $10 a month, price of a Netflix subscription. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. See you in the next video. Much love. Take care.